chat messages, emails, files, all of that is stored inside Google Workspace, and your admins have access to all of that. Workspace admins see what devices I am logged into. Yes, the short answer is yes, they absolutely can. Every time a device logs into a Google Workspace account, it actually appears inside the admin panel. You go to your admin panel and you click onto the devices menu, you go to overview, and it's going to show you lots of different devices and where they are accessing from. For example, if I choose to open up my mobile devices menu here, you can see here it actually shows every mobile device that has connected to your account. If you've got device approvals switched on, whether or not the device was actually approved, and it lets you know when it actually last synchronized to the account. So if I want to open up an individual device here, it's actually going to show you like device IDs, serial numbers, those kind of things. It gives me lots and lots of information there, which is pretty cool. Basically, your admin is able to see everything that's going on your mobile device, anything that's going on with computers. Effectively, if you're connecting to a work account using your Google Workspace account, an administrator is going to be able to see it. They're also going to see a log. There is a full log of everyone's actions inside Google Workspace. So each login, each file that you download, any files that you move or change, and of course, all of the actual individual data like chat messages, emails, files, all of that is stored inside Google Workspace, and your admins have access to all of that. So expect that anything that you are doing inside a Google Workspace account is going to be accessible by administrators, including access and reporting of that access as well. If you like this content, please hit subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live or drop new content on the channel. Now, if you'd like to connect with us, hit us up on social media or join our free community group. All the links to that are right below this video. If you'd like to learn more about Google Workspace and the technology ecosystem, you can join our free Genius Academy by transferring your billing across to itGenius. Or you can join a Workspace Basics Bootcamp. Now, if you're a business owner and you're interested in an audit on your technology stack or your Workspace account, or you're looking to do a project in the tech world, well, you can take advantage of our free consultation. And if you need help right now, then consider joining Concierge or taking up a quick fix with our team for professional support for your tech stack.